to believe in self and to explore more and more things and reflect whatever he has explored. The child, he was just in standard 4th, as you are all sitting here, and this child was not interested in studies. He used to go to school, used to trouble teachers sometimes, as you all do, isn't it? Do you trouble the teachers? So this child didn't want to learn, and there was a complaint to the parent, and the parent was a farmer. And when the complaint came, Papa told him, we are not going to send you to school now, come with me to the fields. You will also start doing farming like me. And Papa carried him to the field, and there in the farm he started working with his dad, although he was playing around in the fields and his father was working. And when it was that thought really made him to think that there should be light there around, so that my father could work even in night, even in dark. And at that moment something clicked, and he took a matchbox and he burned the dried all the grass around. It was Thomas Edison. He at that age wanted to give light to his father so that he could work, and in future he became a great scientist to explore it, and of course today of him. So we also want our child to explore their thoughts. That's the reason Brain Cafe has come up, reaching to all the schools and trying to do its best. Today we have 70,000 students around with this Brain Cafe setup. I would really thank our judges who have done the great job today, giving their precious time. I would request our brand manager of Brain Cafe, Mr. Neeraj Rungta, to give a token of
for me also to come back to the school ages and explore the talent of the budding scientist. But looking the students' age, at their age, they have done a very excellent job, and I don't look for the prizes, but the work done by the student was really very good. And
I would request Mr. Kisukar sir to give away the prizes for category A. In category A we have standard 1st and 2nd standard participant students. So let me invite Rutuja Govind Shinde, standing 4th position, coming from Swami Vivekananda Integration School. Standing 3rd position from Vivekananda International School. It's with Apurva Raghuvanshi from Gandhi City School. And now with Kanak Ajay Pitare, standing first from Swami Vivekananda. First and second, we also have an outstanding award for Prem Dhanrajani from Channavar E-Vidya Mandir School. I'll request our principal of the school, Akshara Ghoshla ma'am, to give the prize for B category. From Vidyaniketan International School, standing 4th. And yes, it's Shreya Purushottam International School. Standard 12. Rocket launchers. I don't know how many of you really enjoy. Now we start with the C category. Here we have standard or 5th and 6th participant student. I'll begin with fourth position is given to Samarth Jadhav from Gandhi City School. Samarth is was a wonderful Sarvani Nirmal Chahal from Swami Vivekananda International School. Second position is taken by Shrutika Dattatreya Patil from Swami Vivekananda. And yes, it's Farah Nazri. And now we go to the last category, D for standard 7th and 8th. We have Arunaj Khandikar from Gandhi City School, main branch, standard 4. Standing third from we have also given a participation prize. You can collect your certificate from the registration counter that.
Good afternoon everyone. Birding scientific contest in Varda. So once again Talia. बहुत good. I would also like to thank all the parents, all the teachers, all the judges for their guidance and motivation given to the children, given to the students. उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से अपने स्टूडेंट को गाइडेंस किया, बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से उन्होंने हैंडल किया. Thank you so much and thank you so much judges also. Thank you so much, thank you everyone, thank you so much, thank you one of everyone, thank you so much.
Is at the top of borewell, and when the water level rise, at that time the sensor gives signal to the motor to get started automatic, and then the motor starts the tank started to the fill, and when the tank fills at that time the sensor present in the tank gives the signal to the motor to get switched off, and in this way the tank will avoid from overflowing, and when the water level goes down and the sensor present downside gives the signal to the motor to get switched off. Thank you everyone for listening my song.
सब आगे देखो